Hello, students. Hope so. You all are safe and doing great. We are meeting after so long. Okay, am I right? So, what we are going to start now? I'm just giving you the introduction. I'm starting a series of online lectures from the 18th December. What this lectures will include? Before going to start with that, as we all know, we are suffering from the pandemic. So, in this pandemic, जैसे हम लोग के स्कूल्स के लेक्चर्स वगैरह होते थे वो इंटेंसली लेक्चर्स तो हम लोग ऑनलाइन मोड पे कर रहे हैं बट वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग और वो रिवीजन पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है ओके as far as the science subject is concerned it is very important subject. If you are going for the science stream for the 11th and 12th standard, then it is crucial subject. But if you are not going for the science, but still, if you are going for the diploma or any other field, the science is important subject, and it is a general science. We need to understand the science because it is a school syllabus. So now that's why it is very important. The first point. So we are learning science in school, in the coaching classes, so anywhere. And the last one is we are trying by self-study also. So what is this course for? If within this 7 to 8 months, whatever science you have learned, तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज है. कुछ बच्चों को ये अंडरस्टैंड हुआ होगा, कुछ बच्चों ने अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए पढ़ा होगा, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट्स in heat chapter, in gravitation chapter. So for those, all such students, I'm starting with this series of online lectures. So what this lecture will include, it is very simple, easy explanations. I will try to give easy explanation for the all the 20 chapters to build your conceptual understanding. ताकि आप ना सिर्फ एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर हो सको बल्कि आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिल्ड हो. And it will be a live interactive sessions which will be 3 days in a week and it probably on the Zoom app only. Because recording करके अगर मैं YouTube पे lectures upload करता हूँ तो it is a one way transfer and I don't want one way transfer. We need to have the live interactive session ताकि आप आपके doubts clear कर सको और हम लोग classroom का environment create कर सके. And mostly focus on the understanding based learning. If in case you miss some online lectures, then what the next? I will give you the access to the recording of the lectures so you will not miss any content from that lecture. And it is a good opportunity because my primary motto for starting this session is to give a quality education in the minimum fees. So that's why I started this session. So when and where and how? So let's see. So it's first, this is the platform, online platform. We are going to meet on Zoom. Zoom ab to sabko pata hai. Second, before going to start with the regular batch, it will start from the 18th December. But before that, I am giving you the opportunity to, you can attend the demo lectures, which will be on the 5th and 6th December, Science 1, Science 2, and the 12th and 13th December, similarly as Science 1 and Science 2. So by attending this demo lecture, you can understand what we are going to do, how I'm going to teach you the science or chapters, whether you are understanding or not. So by analyzing this, you can enroll for the regular batch. For any such other details, okay, I'm giving the link, WhatsApp group link in the description. So you can contact me or you can ask for the doubts or queries you have. And if you will attend, if you will attend the demo lectures, that will be very beneficial for you. So you can analyze whether you will have some benefits or not. If you feel it is interesting or it is beneficial for you to understand the science, then you can join our regular batches, which will start from the 18th December. So please like, subscribe, and share this video to reach to the maximum students. Thank you. We will meet soon and the first demo lecture on the 5th December at 7:30 p.m. Link of the lecture is provided in the description below. Thank you so much.